Hi guys, a very warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. Today I'm going to be doing a low carb snack which is excellent for post recovery from your workout. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Epigamia Greek yogurt, natural 100 grams, purple dragon fruit, Receipe Stevia. So first we're going to add 100 grams of dragon fruit, and to that we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Receipe Stevia powder. Now we're going to blend the same, and once upping dragon is done blending, we're going to add 200 grams of Greek yogurt to the same. That's half of the same. So this is a 400 gram cup, and we're going to add 200 grams to the same. And once you add it, you're going to whisk it and mix it well. So our low carb pink berry yogurt is ready. Benefits of the same: it cooks in less than 5 minutes and is guilt-free. You can have your favorite dessert and snack literally guilt-free. Second, dragon fruit is loaded with magnesium and great source of iron as well.